Hey, Plant Pals, I'm Mike the Kid Gardener, and today's video is on the rack that I keep my three deep water culture tubs on. I have restarted everything because I was waiting to make sure I was rid of the pests, and I am. And so I'm going to restart these tubs. But while I was waiting, I wanted to do a fun project for myself, and that was to build a light rack, a hanging light rack. And it goes up to about I think this is a 9 foot ceiling, so it's like 8.5 feet tall, which is pretty cool. And I used Maker pipe connections for the T frames. The pipe is 3/4 inch galvanized steel, which you can see I have an extra pipe there, just in case I want to add some more rungs to it. And why would I make it this tall? Well, in case I feel like I can put this unit. This unit has feet, and all the end caps and stuff are from Maker Pipe. And right now I haven't really cleaned it up yet. I just have it zip tied to the top here because I didn't want to permanently attach it. So this rack, so I got the zip ties, and it's plenty strong and stable. And I'll come by and the clip snip them and make them more neater. But for now I'm just leaving it as is. I just connected the light. I need to put a timer on it, so it'll come on at the same time every day. I have a fan here, so I can blow air on the plants to keep them strong and happy. Turn that off. So yeah, so I'm pretty excited about this, pretty stoked. I think I did a really good job with this build. These are quick connects in case I want to disconnect the top quickly. And then these are just regular I forget what you call that wrench, the the key wrench, the Allen wrench, or whatever you call that thing for those connections. But yeah, so this is a galvanized steel, 3/4 inch, and I've got the light just hanging from these chains here, so I can raise and lower it. It goes down to almost the top of the tub here, and I can raise it all the way up if I felt like. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Pretty excited about that. Now I could have bought a pre-built rack, probably a lot cheaper than what it cost me to make this thing, but I didn't have the fun of building it myself and customizing it to exactly how I wanted it. And like I said, I can also remove. See, like I said, it has the feet, so it can be freestanding. So if I decide to take a large um, storage tote, like say in my basement, and grow something large, like a very large plant, large tomato plant that's can grow up to 6 foot tall, I can use this. So I would have the tote sitting on the ground underneath it with with the uh, the air stone, which I could hang off of a bar. I could also add another bar on the side here if I wanted to hang the. That's the great thing about this; it's completely modular, so I could add more bars to it, more rungs, or I could use the plant wire, which I have down below here. I could string across, so I could grow something vining, something tall, like a pea plant, or even just like I said, run the cables across so that I could hang and make a cage for like a tomato plant or something similar, or any kind of vining thing, watermelons, anything. So that's just a quick video on what I'm doing over here with my rack that has the three deep water culture tubs. I'm going to put a unit here because it's tall enough, so I can have this and the unit right next to it. I haven't decided which one. I've got several. Probably a smaller size one. I might grow some herbs or something in it while I grow something taller in here so that it can get as tall as it wants. And like I said, I can trellis it up. That's why I did down here with this light. I have it up higher. I can lower it if I want to. It's at its max height. I just clipped it on right now, but I can get some more chain and lower it down if I wanted to. and put something that will grow tall there. And I think I might move my I accidentally started some squash plants, so I might put them over here, and then maybe some tomatoes or something tall over here. So I have options. So it's pretty fun, pretty exciting. It's great to be back. um, I've got plenty of things started. I'm going to be reviewing systems, so yeah, it's pretty great. All right, any comments, questions in the comment section? Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have an awesome day.